This is ITV. Please stand by for an important announcement. This is ITV. Please stand by for an important announcement. This is an emergency broadcast from ITV. Through government legislation, this message is being broadcast on all terrestrial television channels and their sister channels. Authorities have been notified of a wide-scale terrorist plot that would involve between 100 and 200 IEDs being detonated around the country this evening. We can report that 24 devices have been discovered and destroyed in controlled explosions. However, there are still at least 76 devices not yet discovered. As a precautionary measure, police are attempting to evacuate every popular tourist location and venue in the country. We have decided to evacuate the celebrity Big Brother house, as the high-profile housemates could make it a target, and we need to ensure the safety of our audience and crew. All ITV channels will remain on air with news updates until the authorities indicate that all public threat has been eradicated. Thank you for your patience. We have received reports of an explosion at Paddington Station. British Transport Police and the London Ambulance Service are en route to the scene. The current advice is to avoid Paddington